Understanding the nitty-gritty of VA loan calculators. What is the VA loan calculator? A VA loan is a mortgage option with no down payment provided by private lenders and partially guaranteed by the Department of Veterans Affairs, VA. Borrowers who meet the requirements can use a VA loan to refinance an existing mortgage, build a home, renovate a home or buy a home as their primary residence. However, the maximum loan amount varies for different individual circumstances. A VA loan calculator calculates the estimated monthly mortgage payment when using VA home loan benefits to buy a home. Homeowners insurance, property taxes, principal, and returns are the basic components of a VA loan payment. VA loans function similarly to other popular mortgage products with a few exceptions. In this article, we examine the nitty-gritty and the mechanics of the VA loan calculator. How can I use the VA loan calculator? The VA loan process is slightly different from typical mortgages. Although it does not make or initiate loans, the Department of Veterans Affairs, VA, backs a portion against default. Private lenders can issue credit with no down payment and favorable rates thanks to this backing or guarantee. How VA loans are issued. 1. Obtain pre-qualification. Find a VA lender and pre-qualify to determine how much house you can buy based on your income, entitlement, and other financial factors. Pre-qualification is a fundamental first step that opens the door for pre-approval of a VA loan, which is a much more important stage. 2. Obtain a loan pre-approval. Pre-approval is a significant step that gives you the power to act quickly when you find a house you love. Lenders will examine your financial situation and salary to determine your actual purchasing capacity. Receiving a letter of pre-approval is the ultimate result. These letters demonstrate to real estate brokers and home sellers that you are a capable and determined buyer with what it takes to complete the transaction. 3. Submit a proposal. It's time to create an offer and negotiate a contract with the seller once you and your agent have found the ideal VA loan-approved home. It's crucial to choose a trustworthy VA loan expert knowledgeable about the ins and outs of VA loans. 4. Review the VA appraisal and underwriting process. Your loan issuer will request a VA appraisal of the property after it is under contract. When the assessment is finished, underwriters will evaluate your income, financial situation, and relevant papers. If everything is in order, you'll receive the go-ahead to close and proceed with your loan closing. 5. Loan closing. You'll sign a ton of paperwork and legal documents at the loan closing and receive the keys to your new home. Furthermore, the exchange of fees between buyers and sellers is permitted. The seller may cover up to 4% of the loan amount in closing costs. However, they are not required to do so. 3. Submit a proposal. Terms used with VA loan calculator. Home value. Home value is a home's estimated cost or potential buying price, excluding any down payments. The home value assessment is done by an appraiser who helps to determine the property's condition and value. Down payment. The initial payment made toward the principal is known as the down payment. Down payments are unnecessary for VA loans, and most borrowers opt for $0 down. You pay a portion of the loan principal upfront as your down payment. Loan terms. The loan term is the amount of time you want to borrow. The VA loan calculator offers a loan program with fixed terms of 30, 15, and 5 years. Your interest rate and overall monthly payment amount may vary depending on the loan program you select. As an illustration, a fixed 30-year mortgage will have a lower monthly payment than a 15-year, but you will have to pay more interest overall. Interest rate. The cost of borrowing is expressed in interest rates. APR, which calculates closing expenses and fees and represents the actual cost of borrowing, is included in the interest rate in the calculator. Every day, interest is paid on your loan. Your accrued interest balance is reduced to zero when you make a payment by paying the interest that has accumulated since your last payment. Loan type. The VA provides a VA direct loan in addition to 3 VA-backed loans. The Native American Direct Loan, NADL, program, funded by the VA and offered to qualified Native American veterans or veterans married to Native Americans, is a VA direct loan. Loans backed by the VA include VA-backed purchase loans, interest rate reduction refinance loans, IRL, and cash-out refinance loans. Credit score. Your credit history is crucial when applying for a VA home loan, as it is with most financial-related matters. Your private lender may require a minimum score, even while the VA does not. If your mortgage lender has a minimum credit score requirement, ask them about it. VA specifics. The VA funding fees are specific to Virginia individuals with a disability rating of more than 10%, Purple Heart recipients, and surviving spouses are excluded from the VA financing fees. The VA funding fee is slightly higher for borrowers who have used a VA loan but are not exempt. Begin a trial with our VA loan calculator. One of the best military perks you can receive is a VA loan, and a VA loan calculator is a good place to start. This is because using a VA loan calculator will help you narrow down your search for the best VA loan provider, in addition to helping you learn how using a VA loan may affect your budget. Calculate your monthly mortgage payment with taxes and insurance with our VA mortgage calculator. To get your VA loan payment split, schedule, and other information, enter the purchase price of the home, your down payment, and loan specifics. Begin a trial with our VA loan calculator today. Company, Security America Mortgage, Inc. Company address, 7514 Shadyville Lane, Houston, Texas 77055, United States. Company contact no, +1 85546826669. Company email, webmaster@securityamerica.mortgage.com.